Hey y'all, come with me to this job fair. It's all in Harlem. It was a sunny Sunday. I made sure I dressed in person, had my resume in hand, but it was a very long ride. So we had to stop at Dunkin' to get some breakfast. Something small, something real small. Then we head to the train station. And while I was waiting for the train, I was drinking on my pumpkin spice latte. It was so freaking good, y'all. But then the train came. Yeah, it was a long ride, but I was eating my breakfast in the meantime. Then I got off the train. I haven't been to Harlem in years. It's been a long time, a very long time. So yeah, when I got there, it was easy to find the church though, because you saw that line and it was like the entire New York City was at that job fair. I get it's MTA, but damn, it was a lot of people. But luckily enough, we didn't have to stay if we had a resume. So we filled out this registration form and left our resume. And yeah,